Sup everyone, Kara here, and I just thought of randomly filming myself eating. So I'll be trying to do some mukbangs, and yeah, it's been a while since I last uploaded video on this channel. But before uploading this one, the one that I'm filming, I have decided to remove the old videos I have on my YouTube account. Felt like taking a long freaking shower and then eating the food that I've been craving for. And mind you, I'm craving pulled up every day. It's craving carbonara flavor. So by eating what I've been craving for, I've been eating pulled up carbonara for like the past 3 days now. So it's pretty freaking unhealthy, but what can I do? That is what I want to do. So yeah, I don't know the purpose of this video. Maybe I just feel like after every week, it's nice to like just enjoy or relax, what you're craving for, talk, listen to music, watch movies. So that are the things that I was thinking earlier for Future Chef. And right now, what do we have here? Guess what? Jajan! Yeah. So we have the buldak carbonara. I have here sunny side up egg and some pork, and we also have Korean spam here. So oh well, I also have wait this Namkwang traditional seasoned flavor. So etong what do you call this, seaweed. Ayun, seaweed na ipo-partner natin sa ating samyang. Aside from that, I also have Coke and water. Ito, set up eh. So I tried setting up the table and my camera similar to those mukbangers, like kung paano nila sineset up yung food nila, kung paano nakikita yan lahat sa camera. And I figured it out, but I thought na you have to have at least 2 cameras to do that. I'm not good at angle, I'm not quite sure how to set it up, although I thought I figured it out already. So I just gave up, and ito ang meron ako. Yan. So, let's start smoking. So, excuse my chopstick skills, because this is not my forte. Yeah. For the samyang, inano ko muna siya, pinakuluan ko muna siya sa water, and then nung medyo malambot na yung noodles, sa milk ko na siya kinuloy, pakuluan. And then meron siyang cheese. So I know naman na ayaw nyo akong makita. Ito na lang food. Paano ba to? Yeah, I don't know how to do it, so just freaking let me eat. I mean, watch me eat. Syempre, wala naman kayong choice but to let me eat. Yeah. Wow. So good. We have pork belly. Grabe. Perfect. I don't know if you'll call this a meal because may protein, may snack, may carbs and such, or you will going to call this late night snack, because I think it's currently something 11. Sa yolk. So ano natin sa yolk? Egg yolk. Actually, for this Korean spam, luncheon meat, or hindi ko alam kung tawag, I was supposed to air fry it ng buo, similar to doon sa mga napapanood ko sa mukbang. But naisip ko, hindi ko talaga siya mauubos. And dito pa lang samyang na yan, 1 pack lang siya. And then, isang slice lang to ng pork belly. So, grabe no, ganun pala. Like, yung mga pinapanood kong Korean mukbangers is like, sobrang daming food. Lalo na kapag malapit sa camera, yung ganyan. Sobrang dami nilang tingnan. And then, ito, naisip ko, like, isang pack ng samyang lang. Tapos, 3 slice lang siya ng luncheon meat. Then, isang egg. Then, kaparat na slice ng pork belly. Na, tinignan mo, grabe, sobrang dami. At saka, sobrang nakakabusog siya. Pero yung iba kong pinapanood ng mukbangers, like, kita mo talaga na buo yung luncheon meat na kinakain nila. 3 ganun. Tapos, mga 5 or 10 nilagang egg. Tapos, yung mga pork belly, din yung ganyan. So, wala, ang daldal ko. Namiss ko lang kasi ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapag-video na ini-enjoy ko yung day. Tapos yung thought na pagtatagpi-tagpian ko tong video and then i-upload ko ulit sa channel ko. So, ayun. Actually, plan ko talaga na like mag-upload ulit sa YouTube channel ko, which is like medyo parang travel vlog, something like ganun, kasi I've been traveling this past a few months. So I've been to I went to Hong Kong twice this year, I think, or like early December, then January or February or something, and then I went to Thailand to watch concert and such, and then I'm planning to go on a trip again. So pag nagka-time, pag budget and such, so looking forward to go to a different country. So siguro either Vietnam or going back to Thailand. I've been to Thailand twice and then thrice sa Hong Kong. So might as well explore a different country. So good. Weird, no? Hawak ko tong ano. Ang weird naman kasi yung pinapanood nyo. Akong kumain, tapos nyo nakakita ang kinakain ko. Diba? Hindi ako ganit, nagpapaliwanag lang. Sarap. about to finish my food, so inalis ko na sa cam. So yan, I'm almost done with my food. Tingnan mo yung kalsa, nahirapan na ako. I forgot. Meron pala ako nito. Ayaw kasi yung kainin mag-isa. Ba yan? Ano ka? Nakakainis. Nakalimutan ko yung seaweed. Ayaw ko kasi siyang... Sabi niyo yung brand na to. Ayaw ko nakain siya mag-isa. Ba yan? Ang OA ko pa kanina. Ano bakit? Ba't mo may racket? Char. Hindi kasi. Habang iniisip ko na magmumukbang ako, ganyan-ganyan, mag-video, ganyan-ganyan. So, inisip ko na kung anong limit ko. Ganun, anong kakainin ko. Paano yung setup niya. So, na-imagine ko na kung paano yung setup niya. Yung short, yung parang kagaya nga sa mga maangas na mukbanger. Tinanggal ko pa yung brand ng tubig ko. Akala mo naman. Drink your water, everyone. Excuse me. Excuse me. Koke. So, ayun lang. Mas inuna ko pa tong walang kakwenta-kwentang bagay nito kasi linisin yung kwarto ko. I mean, ayusin. Kasi nalinis ko na siya. After ko mag-work. Tapos, naligo ko. Tapos, hindi ko pa nalagyan ng bedsheet, hindi ko pa nalagyan ng unan. Wala din punda. Ang kumot. Ayun lang. Thank you for... Ewan ko, pinanood mo ba to? Kung oo, bakit? Panood mo ang kwenta. Bye! Bye!